I finally got serious about wanting to change my life a few years ago, so I did my research. I found the ultimate side hustle by watching hundreds of hours of YouTube videos and picking the one that was right for me. And after working just 4 hours a week for 2 months, I'm now a multi-millionaire.
So what's missing in this video? First, think, want to be rich? Don't start a side hustle. Let's start with defining what most people are thinking when they are starting a side hustle. They're not thinking about becoming rich. So what's missing in this video? And before I go any further, understand that I actually love this video and the fact that he moved straight from what we opened in the beginning, where he was being sarcastic or opening up and being funny about, hey, I found a side hustle and I'm going to be a multimillionaire for doing, little to no work. And then he dives into this idea of, yeah, right, whatever. If you believe that, I got a bridge to sell you, right? And he shows this bridge and it says for sale, with the idea there being, come on, let's be realistic about what a side hustle is. And first and foremost, what's missing from this video for me is defining or setting the right expectations for a side hustle. Of course, also, just like in the video that I'm saying what's missing, he shows you this search for side hustles and the unrealistic idea of these side hustles making you $1,000 a day just by simply starting or thinking that you're going to make a little bit of money on the side, because at the end of the day, ultimately, time is the thing that you don't have. Most people are thinking, if I want to build a business, which is what he's saying move from the idea and the limitation or the limiting mindset of starting a side hustle to earn a little extra money and move into the concept of, you know what? I might as well spend my time building my own thing in my own business. Now, the concept here and what most people see about side hustles, and I think one of the things or the disconnect and what's missing from this video is that it's okay to start a side hustle if you know and understand that the side hustle ultimately is going to take as much time and effort as starting a business. But starting a business, just the idea to wrap your mind around the framework and the concept, or without a strategy of what a business looks like in the beginning, then most people are going to default to the side hustle. And they're going to think, well, I don't have the time, I don't have the money, I don't have the resources, I don't even have the know-how of how to start an online business. Now, he dives into 4 things that you need to start an online business.
Identify a problem, solve the problem, get paid, refine, and repeat.
And of course, after he lists those 4 things, again, that's great, but you're still stuck in the same spot. You don't have a starting point, an actual strategy. Now, the strategy that I cover on this channel is the top strategy. It's about doing affiliate marketing or starting a profitable online business, understanding that you need 3 foundational pieces or building blocks in place to build a profitable online business, which is you need traffic, you need an offer, and you need people to follow up with about that offer. And of course, this is about affiliate marketing. So our traffic source starts here on YouTube simply by picking a topic. Not so much different than what you saw in the video, but the concept of what's missing in that video is how simple it is to go back to the top strategy and think, I just need to generate traffic, which is helpful content, which is me helping people solve a problem. So again, you are identifying a problem. But in this case, I'm giving you a simple strategy of generating traffic by creating helpful content after picking a topic here on YouTube and then picking an offer that someone else has already created. Because again, if you go back to what's missing from this video, this idea of don't start a side hustle, build your own product. Whoa, that is a giant step to take from, I think I want to generate a little side income, a side hustle from starting an Etsy store or creating a shop on Shopify. But if you bring that back to something even simpler of, you know what? I'm interested in a thing. I have an idea for a topic. I like to talk about drones. I like to talk about knitting. I like to talk about playing pickleball. I like to talk about insert the thing you like to talk about and simply start generating traffic by creating helpful content or letting people know about the thing that you like and how they can get involved with it as well, which goes back to your offer. And then the reason that I say offer over to people next inside of the top strategy is the next thing that you're going to do is start building your own resource off of YouTube, which is an email list. This is simply taking people that have shown interest in your content and then putting them on an email list and following up with them. Now, again, I've taken the top strategy and I've said, you need traffic, which is helpful content here on YouTube. You need an offer, which is a product that somebody else already sells. Maybe they have a course on pickleball or knitting, or maybe you need a special type of racket or paddle for pickleball, or maybe you need a special type of insert the thing that you're talking about, the problem that you're solving through your content by letting people know about your offer. Your offer being the thing that's going to ultimately help them get the enjoyment out of the thing that you're talking about or solve their problem. Again, understanding and thinking, well, a side hustle is just something I do to make a little extra money. A business is something that you like register and you think about, I need to set up this big business structure. I need to have everything in place before I even get started. I need capital. I need funding. I need to invest money to get the product built, to get the thing up and running. No, stop and think and come back to, again, the concept, the mindset of a side hustle, but realizing that utilizing a top strategy and generating traffic from helpful content, you are laying the foundation for a profitable online business. And you are only investing your time at that point by creating content here on YouTube. And that ultimately is you identifying a problem. Then you offering a solution, which is an affiliate product. And of course, affiliate marketing is just where you get permission to promote someone else's product. And then when you make a sale or when someone buys the product based upon your recommendation and they click the link in your video, head over to the product sales page, buy the product, and then all the product fulfillment, the fulfillment of the product, the shipping, the actual delivery, if it's a digital product, the support, any kind of or type of problem, such as people saying, you know what, this isn't for me, I want a refund, is all done by the other business, the quote unquote real business. And the fact that you're using a side hustle mentality to start your own online business. So to say, I'm going to build a profitable online business by identifying a problem. I'm going to create helpful content here on YouTube, and I'm going to lead people over to an offer. And then you know what? I'm going to add people to an email list. So I own that. That is an asset for my business. Yes, the business that I built starting with the side hustle mentality. Again, understand the time horizon and the long-term thinking, again, which is what is being talked about in the video, where William Lee presents the question, want to be rich? And then tells you, don't start a side hustle, but instead start by identifying a problem and build your own real business. But the reason I wanted to make this video to talk about this video and this concept is people are going to find that it's the definitions that they get caught up on. Don't start a side hustle or start a side hustle. What does a side hustle mean to you? Don't start a business, start a side hustle. No, don't start a side hustle. Don't start a side hustle, start a business. Start a profitable online business by investing time, because at this point, you're trying to figure out all the things you need. And then if you put money in front of time, because most people simply don't have the money, but they have the time. Of course, we all have a limited amount of time, but we all have the same amount of time to get started, especially when we're talking about identifying a problem, picking a problem, a topic, a specific topic, and generating traffic, or building the foundations of an online business utilizing the top strategy, which again, the top strategy is simply traffic, creating traffic by creating helpful content right here on YouTube. Doesn't take any money, just takes your time, and then finding an offer that, again, goes back to that side hustle mentality of, you know what? I'm going to start an online business by using my time, creating helpful content here on YouTube, but I'm not going to spend any time or money creating my own product. I'm simply going to recommend a product that I know, I like, and I trust that has helped me solve the problem, or help me do the thing, or help me find more, or get a better outcome of what it is I'm doing, whether it's a hobby, whether it's something where I'm trying to make money online, whether it's something that is a problem like I'm working to get my blood sugar down, whatever you're thinking about, whatever you're talking about here on YouTube, generating traffic in the form of helpful content, you're sending people over to that offer that was created by someone that had the time and the money, maybe, or took the time and then came up with the money utilizing the same thing I'm talking about, creating traffic or creating a traffic source to let people know that they have a solution to their problem, which is their offer. And then they built a profitable online business and even started their own affiliate program. Again, something that when you think about all the things that are required for a business, a real business to operate, an affiliate program, building an affiliate program. Well, if I create my own business, should I or do I need to think about an affiliate program? Again, when you're thinking the side hustle, but you're doing it the correct way, or you're thinking about a side hustle correctly, not thinking about getting rich from getting started with a side hustle, but thinking about I'm going to focus my efforts on this side hustle, but also understand that this side hustle is potentially the online business, the profitable online business that I want to build. Thinking about, again, I have a simple strategy. In the top strategy, I need traffic, I need offer, I need to add people to an email list. This is going to start as a side hustle, but it has the potential to actually turn into a profitable online business. So William Lee, in this video, what problems have you encountered that you can solve? This is the thing you need to be thinking about, but you need to be thinking to yourself, what's missing when I try to actually build a business? When I actually try to build a business, what's missing is just the confusion and the idea and the concept of how big of a problem building a business is compared to me thinking, if I start a side hustle, and I have the right frame of mind, if I have the right mindset going into building a side hustle and then building that side hustle into a profitable online business, following a strategy, again, just like the strategy that William Lee laid out in his video, because he is honestly telling you, look, the time that you spend trying to do all these side hustles and earning $5, $6, $10, $15, $20 over the course of the time it takes you to figure out all the moving parts of a side hustle, then you might as well put that time and effort into building your own profitable business, online or off. But my thing and my idea here is the top strategy. The top strategy is simple, it's effective, and it's something you can easily start here on YouTube right now today. And if you'd like to see more exactly how this top strategy works, go ahead and click the video you see on the screen right now. Watch that one. I look forward to seeing you in that video, and I'll talk to you then. Bye.